the force. Oh boy, this looks really dangerous.
What?
Wow,
What
Carlitos.
if it cracks when you...
Not on the bump.
Whoa.
Oh my goodness.
Why there? Dude. Hey, don't let you do that.
Not on the bump. Oh, he's gonna tip. I'm kicking him out. Out! Out! I gotta go in there now.
Why?
Because it makes me more nervous with you in there. All right, I'm gonna get this concrete loaded up. We're just gonna get that by hand and just wheelbarrow it out here. We gotta speed the process up a little bit.